time for the main event. Well, not really, but whatever, fuck it. So that's what we're looking at. That's the broken off stud. It's broken off inside the head. And it looks like I did a pretty damn good job of keeping the drill bit in the stud and not in the head, so I'm pretty happy about that. Removed some material. I don't know, man. I'm not feeling it. I don't know that I'm gonna get this out at all. Ha! Here it comes. Yeah, baby. I hope you can see that, because that is fucking awesome. Gotcha. That big bastard just jumped on me. Yeek.